Okay guys, here's a little vid of how we're doing these with a little narration so we all don't keep making the same mistake of losing our tanks because we're doing it wrong. Okay, first thing you want to do is deploy your riflemen. Bring them to the outer edge of the dark circle until the tank starts moving towards them. Then pull them back so he chases them out of the circle. Once he gets out of the circle, target the tank. Wait till your riflemen get up to the tank. You can spread them out beforehand. By pressing X. Once you've done that and they're up to the tank and surrounded it like that, deploy your tanks. Target the tank with your tanks. You gotta wait until he's shooting the riflemen. Deselect your tanks, reselect your riflemen, and keep spreading them. This is how you prevent losing your tanks, because if you send your tanks right at the tank before your riflemen get there, he'll shoot your tanks first. When the pocket collapses, just respread them. And there you go. Very minimal damage to the tanks. Lost riflemen. It should be about 15 minutes damage to your riflemen. 15 to 20, anywhere from there. Get your platoon back in your base. $18 minutes damage. Remove your rifleman until it's free repair. I'm on a tablet, so don't mind my knocking here. It's just me tapping the screen. Free repair. Go back in. Rifleman. Now when you're doing this, if you have gold on your account, make sure that when you hit free repair, it's free, or hit repair, it's free and not spending your gold. This is a mistake I always make. Okay, I guess I DC'd here, but you get the idea.